Welcome everyone. My name is Shireen Hosni and today's pose is child pose. So that's a very easy, relaxing, beautiful pose that you can do at any time. I'm going to offer different variations and options. So coming to seated, we're going to take our knees wide apart, bring the big toes together to touch, sending the hips to the heels, reaching the arms forward and relaxing the forehead towards the ground. And sometimes taking the hips to the heels is not accessible for everyone. So if you find that taking your hips to your heels is difficult and you can't reach your head to the ground, you can use a blanket, fold it a few times, or even a cushion. I'm using a bolster because I don't have any of those. And use it just on top of the legs to support and send the hips to sit there. And then you can reach your arms forward and take your forehead to the ground. Maybe that makes it easier. Play around with it. Another variation that I sometimes do, maybe Indian poses, for to make this pose very restorative, is using two blocks. We're gonna take them, place them horizontally parallel to the short edge of the mat with a space between them, and then take the bolster on top of the blocks. And you're gonna come to reach, holding the arms between the blocks. Relax your chest and your head as if you're hugging it.